Pag binato ka ng bato, batuhin mo ng tinapay. May palaman na granada. The third R called revenge. And revenge can be simple things. Revenge can be physical. Revenge can be what? Emotional. Revenge can be verbal. Revenge can be little things. Pumunta ka sa computer ng kaibigan mo, sabi mo, friend, ako sorry, na-delete ko yung database mo. Sumama yung backup. Now, here's the thing. If somebody hurts you, and you hurt them back with revenge, anong gagawin nila? They will go to the cycle themselves. Mag-iinis, magre-resist, magre-revenge. At pag gumanti sa'yo, anong gagawin mo?
Revenge.
Gaganti ka din. Masarap ba mag-revenge?
Yes.
Sa totoo lang, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Buti nga sa'yo. But deep inside, alam mo, hindi tama eh. We have an internal compass that tells you that's not what you're supposed to do. Yes?